Hello grade 4, welcome to your week 2 of music for this year. We are going to do solfege as usual. We'll start with our solfege warm-up that we did last week. I'll teach you a new one today. And then we're going to work through our recorder pieces. I will play through Healthy, Wealthy and Wise from beginning to end. And then we will learn a new piece called Are You Sleeping? Now you'll notice that many of these pieces are quite short. So it means that we'll be doing more pieces, but it means you need to do more practice. All right? So let's begin with our solfege warm-up. Remember, we went until La and also came back from La. We ascended and descended. Okay? So let's try. Make sure you're doing it along with me, okay? Do, that's our starting note. Do, do, re, do, without leaps. Do, re, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Now let's descend from la, la, so, so, fa, so, la, so, fa, mi, fa, so, la, so, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, so, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, so, la. Sorry about the banging in the background. We don't know what's going on in our neighborhood. All right, now let's try with leaps now. With leaps, we just did without leaps. Do, 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 re, mi, do, re, mi, fa, do, re, mi, fa, so, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, do. La, la, so, la, so, fa, la, so, fa, mi, la, so, fa, mi, re, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, la. Okay, so now we have another scale that doesn't reach do, the high do, it'll reach T, okay? The 7th note of the scale. So we're going to stop at T and come back to do. This is our sign for T. T, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So let's try without leaps. Do, do, re, do, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. So let's try without leaps. I will let you do with leaps at home on your own, but let's do without leaps descending. Ti, ti, la, so, la, ti, la, so, fa, so, la, ti, la, so, fa, mi, fa, so, la, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti. Okay? So make sure you really practice without leaps so that doing with leaps will be so much easier. And I know you find with leaps much easier every time. So I'm going to play through Healthy, Wealthy and Wise, and then we'll move on to our new piece. Remember, you are supposed to work on line 4 by yourself. So this is how you'll know whether line 4 was played correctly at home or not. I hope you are practicing and I hope you did it. So here is Healthy, Wealthy and Wise. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You're supposed to repeat that twice because of the repeat sign. I hope you've been working on it. Now let's do another short piece called Are You Sleeping? This is only 3 lines and it's quite simple. Quite simple. It has an F sharp once again, so you need to make sure we're playing any Fs that we come across like this. But when I look at the piece, I don't see any Fs, so there's no F sharp to play. Let's try and sight read line 1. Try and play it with me. Very slowly. As you can see, it ascends up and then skips to G. Okay, G, A, B, G. Okay, so let's try and play that slowly. 3, go. I think you recognize the melody. Can we try that one more time? 3, go. Okay, line 2, it repeats the same set of notes for 2 measures. B, C, D, B, C, D. So that's quite simple. But now we have a little bit of a run here because we have many notes. Well, it's 4 notes, but they're going a little bit faster. T, 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 T. And we have high E. So it's going to take a little bit of practice to get. Now high E means that we hold E, but we pinch the thumb. So there's the hole at the back that our thumb covers, we're going to have to pinch it. Only cover halfway, okay? Only cover half of the hole. So can we try that really slowly? D, E, D, E. All right, so then it goes from D, E, D. Okay, let's try that. And then it walks down C, B, G. So get used to that jump. B, G, B, G. So let's try that measure together from the beginning of the measure till the end. D to G. Again. One more time. So it repeats again. After the end of line 2, we see the exact same rhythm, the same notes at the beginning of line 3. So let's begin at line 2 and find our way to the first measure of line 3. Then this is a nice and easy end. G, D, G. Then again, G, D, G. And that's a whole piece. So I will play it beginning to end and I will allow you to practice. Now if you notice, I keep showing you how to practice every lesson. I keep showing you how to take the hard parts and repeat them slowly, breaking them down into small sections, 2 notes at a time. So if you're watching closely and you're practicing with me, then you'll know how to practice and you'll do very well in all your performances. Okay? So I'm going to play beginning to end. If you want, try and play along with me if you're able to keep up. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your new note is high E. Make sure to pinch your thumb. Make sure to pinch your thumb at the back hole and hold E at the front. Hold E and pinch the thumb. Okay? Well done, everyone. We'll see you next week with a new piece and a new solfege warm-up.